Hi my sweethearts, what you're doing now? Did you complete your worksheets yesterday? What worksheet teacher has set you all to do? What? Internal organs names. Yes children? Yes, now say the spelling of heart all of you. H-E-A-R-T heart. Yes. Now what worksheet you have done Nana? Anup yesterday? What? You have done the sense organs worksheet. Yes. Now Aishwarya say we see with our eyes. Yes children. Now how do tongue help us children? How do tongue help us Tarun? Tongue help us to taste. Yes. Now yesterday I said about two functions of internal organs. Internal organs. Now I'll say another two functions. Okay. Yesterday we have learned about what? What I have taught you? Heart and lungs. Yes. Heart and lungs. Today I'll teach you about brain and stomach. Okay children. Now see how do brain. Now if you see anything, what happens? If you see anything, what happens? You feel thinking of that. Now if you see a flower, then if you see a flower, what do you feel? What is this flower? What is the color of the flower? How it smells? Yes children, if you see a flower, you start thinking that what is the smell of that flower? What is the name of that flower? What is the color of that flower? Yes, by seeing only you cannot do this all. Now see, if you eat anything, you start thinking that what is this fruit? Wow, it's tasting very nice, sweet. I must continuously eat this fruit. Yes? Now how we are doing this? Now see, I am pinching myself. I am feeling pain. I feel pain. How I am feeling? How I am knowing that I feel it's paining here? This all work is done by brain. With what? With which organ? With the brain. This all work, the taste, whatever we see, whatever we hear, whatever we do things, that all work is done by brain. So as soon as we sense anything, first it goes to the brain. And brain passes the signals to all the parts of our body. Now suppose if you see hot water, you just go and put the hand on that in the water? No, because first your brain will say that don't touch the water, it is hot. What it will say? Don't touch the water, it is hot. Yes, so brain helps us to think. What it will do? It helps us to think. Where it is children? Where it is? It is inside our head. It is located inside our head. Where it is located? Inside brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. What's the spelling of brain? B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Where it is located? It is located inside of our head. Where it is located children? It is located inside of our head. And how it helps us? It helps us to send the links to all the parts of the body. It helps us to learn things. It helps us to remember things. You know, once if we feed anything in the computer, what happens? It will do the work till the machine work. Yes? Now you have seen robot. Robots, do you have an idea of robots? Yes, robot is the machine of just doing the things what we feed it. Now our brain also the same thing. Once if we feed in the brain, we won't forget forever. Now suppose if you get a birthday gift, the second birthday gift, big car. Yes? And you like that car very much. And for every birthday you will remember the person and you will remember the gift you got from your friend or guest or relatives or your parents. You won't forget that because it got fed into your brain. Yes, we remember everything in the brain. What we do? We remember. Remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. What is the spelling of remember, children? R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. We remember the things. And we learn things by brain. Yes, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. We learn many things by brain. Now suppose if your brain is not working. For example, if your brain is not working, then you just see like this. Have you seen Shankar Dada's movie? How many have watched Shankar Dada movie? In that one boy will be there. He will just be sitting idle like this in a wheelchair. He can see, he can cry, he can eat, he can do the things. Yes, he can do the things, but he cannot think. He cannot think because his brain is not working. Yes, if our brain is not working, what we are doing we don't know. What to touch we don't know. What is the smell we don't know. What we eat we don't know. Yes, so the brain sends the signals to all the parts of our body. It receives signals from all the parts of the body also. Okay, now see, eyes we see, and it is sending the signal to our part that, oh, that light, that bulb is glowing with bright. The bulb is glowing very bright. Oh, the bird is flying in the sky, and it has black feathers. Yes, like this. Our other parts send signals to the brain. How it sends? It sends signals to the brain. Yes, receive, R-E-C-E, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive, signal, S-I-G-N-A-L, signal. What did it do? It receives signal from the parts of other parts of our body. Yes, children. Now, what? Now see the brain here. See how it is. How it is? It is pinkish color. It will be in pinkish, light pink color. You know that color it will be. Which color? It be in pink color, and it helps us to control the things what to do and what not to do. Yes, it controls the things what to do and what not to do. Now say, children, how do brain help us? It helps us to learn things. It helps us to learn things. It helps us to remember. Yes, and it receives signal from all the parts of our body, and it helps us to think. Yes, children. Now see, how do lungs help us? They help us to breathe in air. How do, what did I teach you yesterday? How do heart help us? It pumps the blood to all the parts of our body. The same way, the brain also help us in our parts of the body. Yes, children. Now, this is the another part of the brain, another part of internal organ. Tomorrow I will teach you the another part. Okay. Now what part is remain? Yes. What part is remain, children? Stomach. Yes. Stomach. I will explain you tomorrow. Okay, children. Now learn these words and read the words from your textbook. Yes, children. Read the words from your textbook. Bye.